Stuff keeps changing, and I got to keep creating new videos. Your services section of your LinkedIn profile. It's right down here now under the About section. It's services from when you were looking at your LinkedIn profile. Now, how do we get it there? Let's go look at my friend's profile on her computer with her permission. One second. Here's Reva's profile. And you can see she does not have, A, she does not have an About section, and B, she does not have the Services section. So where do you get it? It's not under More. It's not under Open To. It's not anywhere on here. It's now under Add Profile section, under the Core, and there it is, Add Services. And when you click on Continue, everything else is pretty much the same. You get 500 characters for the About section. You can put in various services. These are select from the list. You cannot create new ones, only select from the list. Let me just choose one for the sake of doing it. I think you can have 5. You choose your location, if you're also available to work remotely. If you want to put pricing, you put that. And then you can allow LinkedIn members that you're not connected with to message you for free. You can turn that on or you can turn that off. And once you do your 500 characters, you do your add your services, then you hit save. And now on Reva's account, there's services, which is right below where the About section would be. LinkedIn profile, adding the services section. I'm hoping this is helpful for you.